Who was that? Who just hit me out? I don't know. Hey? Yes. Is that him? Yeah. Did we not get it on camera? Did he?
Yeah.
Did he? I mean, where did he go? Did he go?
He went in front of you. He was in the right hand lane and he cut across in front of you.
He did cut across in front?
He did, yeah.
Well, we should have it. We'll have it on camera then.
Yeah.
Shall I tell him? Yes. Yeah. And let's report him to the police because he left at the scene of a f***ing accident.
And we investigated to see whether customers who use those sites were being misled.
I think that's a bus lane.
First of all, I
a fixture. Yeah, well, what's one cap these days? You look at the list of people who've had one cap.
Me, what are you doing? Fucking wanker. Look.
It's a funny run. You gonna stop that light? Old school Hvitr. Smells fishy, that one does, I tell you. Normally we could down it already. Will you stop for this red light? No. Well, there's a surprise.
Look at his twinkly lights on the front of his car, look! Michael Gove going out this morning. Interestingly, the lobby briefing, the briefing that the Prime Minister's spokesman actually hosts.
Push your way out, pal, even though it's not your right of way.
Delayed, and minutes later it was pulled.
Raw ingredients in your fresh fruit and vegetables, which they need to do a bit of a shit job with. Please check your mirrors and put...
Are you f***ing kidding me?
It's the joy of knowing the roads around here. Plastic pig. Old MR2. Around the traffic, no problem. Jeez, the traffic going to the town centre. It's mental.
Entering average speed.